Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to show or hide the caller ID on this device. So firstly, let's enter the dialer and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the settings and there we have to tap on the calling accounts. Now let's tap on advanced settings. And as you can see in the other section on the second position, we've got caller ID. So let's tap on it and tap on caller ID. As you can see, we've got three different options from which we can choose. So right now we've got network default. So your device will use a default operator settings, but you can also choose hide number or show number. After tapping on hide number, here we've got the information, what that means. So the number will be hidden in outgoing calls. And if we will pick show number, then here we've got the information that the number will be displayed in outgoing calls. So it's really up to you how you would like to set it. So actually this is it. This is how to show or hide the caller ID in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.